You get a lot of mucus, you have to cough and spit out all the time. In Chinese medicine, it means there's too much phlegm in your body, and it comes from a weak digestion. You may also get irregular bowel movements, feel dizzy and lightheaded, hard to concentrate. You probably get fatty lumps like lipoma on your skin too. If this is you, make sure to avoid cold drinks, alcohol, and eat whole grains. If you want to learn more about how to get rid of the phlegm, I've created a Chinese medicine healing bundle, helping you understand root cause of your health issues and heal naturally. I have an entire chapter on the top 8 contributors to most health issues in Chinese medicine and how you can reverse these imbalances naturally. Comment below bundle, I'll send you the link.